the ocean. It's that tears that I feel, fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone, I don't wanna go back.
Hey guys, today I'm cleaning Kinsley's room. She is 3, and before anyone asks, I was just going to let you know that there is a tour of her bedroom. So if you're wondering where anything and everything is from, I will have an iCard come across the screen now. And if you want to click on that, you can go and watch the tour of her bedroom. I'm not completely finished in here, but it is pretty much done, and I love the way that it turned out. So I go through her clothes every couple of months, and I have a girlfriend that I give her clothes to. Her little girl is about 2 years younger than Kinsley, and she really appreciates getting the clothes, and I love being able to see her daughter use and love the clothes. So that is what I do. So I'm getting her together a bag, and I am going to go through all of her drawers and then in her closet as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and get started on cleaning her room, which, as you can see, is a complete disaster.
Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone, I don't wanna go back.
I also have a video of me cleaning out and organizing her closet, and I will go ahead and link that now. Also, if you want to go and check that out, I did a major clean out and organize of her closet. So I do have that video up, and I will have it linked for you guys. I also did a haul on all of the new clothes that I got the girls in one of my recent vlogs. If you want to see that, it was kind of towards the end of that vlog. I just went through and casually showed you what I picked the girls up. I mostly went to Old Navy and Kohl's because I love their prices and I love their style of clothing. So this little bassinet here was Kinsley's bassinet when she was a baby. I got it at a yard sale for 20 bucks. It was in brand new condition. I just took all of the cloth parts off and washed them up, and it did a great job for us. I had it beside my bed for the first, I think, 4 months of her life before I moved her into a crib. But I have so much sentimental love for this bassinet. Both girls have their bassinets from when they were a baby, and I cannot see myself ever getting rid of it. So I just keep their stuffed animals in them. Madeline's is actually my husband's from when he was a baby. We did not actually put her in it because neither one of us trusted it. It was from like 1980, but it is still a very pretty one and definitely sentimental. So she has that one in her room, and it has all of her stuffed animals in it as well. And I will keep them forever, and when they move out, if they want to take them, they can. If not, I'll probably just keep them for my grandbabies. So I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's in Lilac. You guys know that I love Mrs. Meyer's, and you know I love their spring scents. They are still available, and the deal to get the free set is still going on while supplies last. So if you want to get a set and you haven't done it yet, there is still a chance to do that before they run out of their spring scents. The peony smells really good. The mint, a lot of people like the mint. I don't like the mint. A lot of people like it. The lilac, though, is definitely my favorite of all of them, and the link is in the description box if you guys want to check out Grove. So now I'm just going to go in and dust her fan. I'm using my Indust that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I find that if you spray a little bit onto the Swiffer, it really does a good job of getting the dust and it leaves a light shine behind. Plus it smells amazing. And I know that there are different ways to clean your fan, but if I'm just being completely honest with you guys, this is how I do it. A lot of people will come on in the comments and suggest different things, and all of those ideas are absolutely great, and if you guys want to try them, you should, but that's just the way I clean. That's the way that I like to do it. It does a really good job for me, and it's just kind of like muscle memory, if you will. I just get my Swiffer and I clean the fan that way. So that's what I was doing in the video. And now I'm going to go on and clean her shelf and reorganize it a little bit. I'm not really happy with this shelf in her room, but for now it's holding her books and some of her knickknacks and things like that. But eventually I'm probably going to get something else to go in this spot. And then also here in a second, with this sped up footage, it looks kind of like I'm taking her and like pushing her out of the way. When I was watching it back, I was like, dang, they're gonna think I'm mean. So I had to replay it for you guys to let you see that I was just kind of easing her out of the way, not really shoving her, because I know someone would probably have something to say, but I swear I wasn't abusing my child. And then here I got these little pink rosettes or whatever they are at Hobby Lobby a long time ago because I wanted to add them to the wall with the white ones, and they've just been sitting there. I did hang them up on this day, and I had filmed myself, but my camera kept cutting off, so I did not get the footage, but you will see at the end how it all came together, and I am finally happy with it. I love them, and I'm so glad that I decided to do the pink ones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.